Is this 85 then?
Yep. According to the maps.
What the fuck, dude?
That same fucking truck.
This is fucking nuts, man.
Oh, dude, look at all the monkeys.
Oh yeah.
Please don't.
One more. One more.
Rickshaw run. Okay, rickshaw run in 3, in 2, in 1. Rickshaw!
All right, so we're all here embarking on this adventure together, and it's a fucking muddy mess. It is a muddy mess in here, dude. My bracelets are falling off.
There's no rules. There go the Danes. Out in front of us. The Brits are cutting off the Danes. And to be honest, they just said they
Dude, there's no turning back.
Nope. Just don't take my head off on this pole.
Gotcha.
Please, oh my God. And here we go. Woo! The start of a 2,500 kilometer journey across India, guys. It's official.
Ah! Yeah! Fuck yeah!
Dude, that was a fucking epic send-off. Look at this one. I called, yeah, right there.
The one thing we didn't get yesterday that we got to get today is spark plugs, because we know two-stroke, yeah, two-strokes take up spark plugs. So,
Batteries.
oh yeah, right here. Here we go.
This looks good.
Yeah, two-wheeler spares.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. This is
This
it.
is the place. All right.
This is it. Show him the picture, brother. Show him the picture.
Whoa.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, this looks good.
All right, if there is a Motul rep that wants to sponsor the next video, let us know. Motul rep,
What is it?
two-stroke.
Two-stroke spark plug.
Motorbike.
Okay, thank you.
The spark plug, we're gonna get them.
This
Yes,
guy-
thank you.
thank
Thank
you.
you, thank you, thank you. This guy followed us over here to make sure we got the right parts.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get our spark plug and get back on the road, okay? All right, so there's some rain clouds ahead. We're going to get our luggage covered up. We got it a little bit ready, you know, a quick cover up option. So we're gonna do that and then get back on the road.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, those guys didn't know what the fuck. Oh, 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 oh. Look at all the monkeys. Hey, can you get like a little side shot like that?
Yeah, bro. I get anything you want. Is it on? Is it recording?
Yeah. There you go. All right, so as you guys can see, what an adventure we got going on. That's all I can say. Holy smoke. As you guys can see, the video is going to be a little bit of pictures, video. We're going to try to get you as much content as possible in a short amount of time as we can, and we got to be safe. So I want to show you guys something over here. Look at this. Look at this waterfall right here. Look at this. Look at this amazing waterfall. You guys, without you guys viewing my videos and without you guys encouraging me to do some of the most unthinkable stuff, Ray and I wouldn't be here today. Because if it wasn't for me posting in the group, or if it wasn't for me signing up, getting into the rickshaw group, seeing Ray's post, we wouldn't be here. So I appreciate you guys so much. You don't even understand how much I appreciate the views that I get. It's just so humbling. So thank you guys very much, and let's get back on the road. God damn it, dude. These tarp doors ideas are not good. Yeah, look at this switchback, bro.
That's insane.
Yeah. If we need to stop and take pictures, if you see a moment, bro, just say it. If you see something you want to take a picture of, dude, look at that mountain. Wow.
We can't even see it all.
No, can't even see the top of it.
The weather patterns.
Dude, this is nuts. How do we check our elevation? Is there an app to know what our elevation is?
1,622 meters.
I don't even know what that is. Oh, dude, there was a massive washout at one point here. Look at all this
We're only
stuff.
at 5,350 feet.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I feel we're higher than that.
But we're in the valley, or in the mountains here, so there's the clouds are stuck between the mountains.
Yeah.
Due to that low pressure.